Hello students, class 2nd EVS. In our previous video, we had studied about different types of animals. Now, today we are going to study about animals, young ones and their sounds. So, let's start. This is the picture of cat. Young one of cat is kitten. Sound mew. Dog. Young one puppy. Sound barks. Cow. Young one calf. Sound moose. Goat. Young one kid. Sound bleat. Horse. Young one colt or foal. Sound knees. Sheep. Young one lamb. Sound ba. Elephant. Young one calf and sound trumpets. Tiger and baby tiger is called cub and sound growls. Monkey and baby, young one baby, sound chatters. Lion, young ones cubs and sound roar. Now this is for you. Match the animals with their young ones. Fill in the blanks. Animals, their sounds and their young ones. Okay students, thank you.